Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are discussing about the mutual fund. What is mutual fund? Mutual fund, when you are not directly investing in equity, means you are not investing in an active mode. When you are investing in passive mode. What is passive mode? Means you are investing in different equity script through a fund manager who will managing your fund on your behalf. That is the mutual fund. Mainly there are five types of mutual funds, namely one equity fund, debt fund, hybrid fund, gold fund, and finally fund of funds. Equity fund is a combination of different equity script, that is the equity fund. Debt fund is a combination of investment in different debt instruments, and gold fund is a combination of investment in gold, maybe in physical form, maybe in e-gold, maybe in paper gold, whatever manager thinks perfect to do according to the market condition. And hybrid fund is a combination of all these asset classes. Means a hybrid fund manager may invest in equity, may invest in debt, may invest in gold, or may hold cash in their hand. As of the market scenario, now each and every funds having two types of classifications. One is growth option, one is dividend option. Growth option means they won't pay you dividend regularly or periodically, rather they will keep on investing your dividend in the funds again and again, and you will find the benefit at the time of redemption. So all the time you will find the NAV of dividend is less than the NAV of growth fund, and you have the option to invest directly or through a distributor. In all the funds, you can invest in any fund directly or through a investor on your own online. When you are investing through a distributor or in online, then you will have to put a ARN code of the distributor. Apart from this, there are a lot of index funds. As we know, Sensex is an index, Nifty is an index, mid cap, small cap, large cap, these all are index. Other than this, auto itself index, FMCG, IT, pharmaceutical, these all are index. You can invest separately in these funds. Then a fund manager will invest only in pharma companies when you are investing in pharma fund. When you are investing in IT fund, then a fund manager will invest in pharmaceutical companies. So there is a multi-cap fund also, that is called, that may be called as a hybrid fund. Means a fund manager may invest in blue chip, may invest in large, small, and medium size company. Multi-cap fund managers have a option to invest all the verticals of the equity fund. And how do I invest? If I want to, I can do it through SIP in a regular basis, maybe monthly, or I can invest through a lump sum. Means when market gone down and NAV is very comfortable, then we can invest in lump sum. And these all equity funds are traded in ETF form, means electronic trading fund. Means maybe HDFC Nifty, ICICI Nifty, Kotak Nifty. ETFs are trading in exchanges like equity scripts. Here you will get an extra liquidity to it. And one more important thing, when we are investing in holding companies, is likely investing in mutual funds. Why I am telling you? Few I'm mentioning few names of holding companies: L&T Finance Holding, Tata Investment Corporation, Cholamandalam Finance and Holding, Bajaj Holdings. They have the the expert fund managers. They have the expertise to holding different asset classes according to the market scenario. The managing those assets are their prime motto of making profit, and this is their business model. They find the opportunity to invest in and exit to make money, and that is the holding company specialty. Means when you are investing in a holding company, you are investing in different asset classes. This much is first time mutual fund discussion with you. Thank you very much.